The human body is an intricate system. Each individual has a unique anatomy, which adds an additional challenge for surgeons when performing complex surgeries. In response to this, we made a groundbreaking decision in 2022 by establishing an in-house 3D printing lab named Cure with 3D. This state-of-the-art facility has Stratasys J850, Stratasys J5 MediJet, MakerBot Method X, Bambulab X1 Carbon, and Prusa i3 MK3S. Utilizing these technologies, we can develop patient-specific multicolored models, jigs, and guides. These solutions help in a diverse range of specialties like orthopedics, joint replacement, spine surgery, hand and wrist surgery, oncology, dentistry, neurosurgery, cardiology, pulmonology, liver, and renal science. This has enabled surgeons to pre-plan the surgery, educate the patients, and meticulously perform complex surgeries. Looking ahead, we are eager to broaden the accessibility of 3D printing services to transform the surgical landscape.